Coming up on Motorhead Garage, we've got a great show for you. You're going to love it. Not as much as I'm loving it right now, but we've got some cool stuff for your LS engine. We've got a great toolbox for your truck, a multi-purpose toolbox. And speaking of multi-purpose, check out this Jeep hammock. This does much more than this, so stay tuned. We've got a lot for you on this show. Hey there, welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by Top Coat. All right, Jeep owners, I've got something really cool to show you. It is a piece of fabric. All right, it's a lot more than that. It's called the JKloud, and it's a super cool accessory that's going to make your life more fun. It's going to make it make your Jeep more useful, and there are lots of things you can do with it. Patrick, you have invented the JKloud. Tell me what I'm looking at.
Thanks for having me today.
Thanks for being here.
Today I'm happy to show you guys the JKloud hammock for Jeep Wranglers. This is a multi-purpose hammock, so it's a full-length hammock, adjustable hammock, full-length Eclipse sunshade, as well as a weather-resistant cargo cover.
All right, now the first thing that intrigues me is the hammock, and I know if you're out and about in the Jeep, you're living the beach life in California like you do, and you want to take a little siesta or camp overnight, this is the perfect thing. So let's see how it installs and how easy that is.
All right, let's give you the demonstration.
We've already done the first part, and frankly, it was kind of a little painful to watch here.
Yes, it was.
We had to cut some trim pieces. Tell me about that.
We had to cut the trim right here around the roll bar because we have to install these custom roll bar clamps, and these clamps will actually allow you to hang the hammock full length in your Jeep, as well as elevating you above your gear if you have any gear in your trunk.
And that's the hardest part of the procedure.
That's
and I said it hurt a little bit to watch it, but when you see the end result, it looks great. These brackets are super cool. Tell me how they're made.
These are actually made from a 6061 aluminum. They are anodized, and a couple of the versions are painted. And we actually anodize 18 different color options for these, so you can match your Jeep or get your favorite color.
Oh, most places you've got to make a giant batch order to get a special color.
Yes, that is correct.
Excellent, but it looks great in silver too. I dig that.
Yes.
Jeep people love to customize, and you can do it right down to the brackets.
Yes, absolutely.
Now that's by far the hardest step, and it's really not that hard. The next one's increasingly simple. It's just a couple of straps here on the roll bar. And tell me what we're doing here.
We're going to take the strap, we're going to loop it around the roll bar.
Okay.
We're going to put the tail end through the other loop, pull it tight, and you're good to go.
And does this have to go on this part of the roll bar?
The straps can actually go anywhere along the roll bar, but if we're going to hang a full-length hammock, this is the desired position right here.
Gotcha, and you can put the seats down though and move it forward if you want to have the hammock in the front.
Move the front seats forward, and the rear seats we're just going to fold down.
All right.
And this gives us plenty of space to set up our hammock.
All right, so let's get this thing attached. How do we do it?
We're just going to clip it in the corners using the carabiners. So right here, one on each side, go clip it in. I'll do this on this side.
How strong are these carabiners?
These carabiners are going to hold as much weight as you got. They are all steel.
Excellent. And up front here?
In the front, we're just going to repeat the process. We're going to use the aluminum carabiners.
Okay.
Right in the corner there.
Again, super strong aluminum.
Super strong aluminum. And attach it on. Actually, you can attach it on any one of these three rings.
You do it on the second one there?
I'm going to do it on the second one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to give us a nice level surface.
Cool. How much weight are we talking here? What does this hold?
This is holding up to 350 pounds easily, and we're going to demonstrate that today.
And it's a two-person hammock.
Two-person hammock, correct.
All right, now what's this made of?
The JKloud is made of a military spec 1000 denier Cordura nylon, and it has a super strong 2-inch webbing around the whole border. And I'm literally going to show you how strong it is right now. I'm going to jump onto the JKloud, my favorite part.
Go for it. Excellent, and lots of room too. We even you brought your lovely assistant Rachel with you.
I did. This is Rachel. She's going to show us how much space there is here.
Can you think of anything better than that? Hanging out in your Jeep with a friend? That's awesome. Now there are different configurations for this as well, right?
Yes, there sure are. We're going to show you many different configurations and how we can set it up. Now you can hang the hammock from any of these grommets around the border using the 2 straps in the front. We're going to hang an extra 2 straps right here, so you can adjust this hammock into many different sizes.
But it's not just a hammock, of course, it's also a top.
Yes, this is a full-length Eclipse sunshade, completely weather-resistant and fade-resistant. It's a cargo cover.
So whether you're on the go or lazing around, this thing is perfect for you. One JKloud does it all. You can check them out at jkloud.us.
Or #JeepNap.
You got it. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by Top Coat right after this.